What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B, and today we're going to head up the road to New Orleans, and we're going to go to the Saints game. And the fun thing about this, I'm going to vlog this trip to the game. I usually leave a little bit early so I can get there a couple hours before the game. I have a little lot that I park in, so I don't pay to park as opposed to paying the $25 or whatever they charge for parking to go to the NFL game. So I'm going to show you, I park only like 6 blocks away, and it's free parking. You got to get there a little bit early. And also, I'm going to be in the lounge a lot, so I'll show you the lounge and everything, what the lounge is like at the game. I try to catch a couple games a year because I'm an hour away from New Orleans. So we're going to hit the road right here, and we're going to head on out to the Crescent City. So follow me along, and let's go. So if you want to find a way to save the $25 or $30 for special events parking, there are a few lots under the interstate just west of the Superdome you can park at. And a lot of people like to park out here and they tailgate and cook and have a good time. It's my buddy Marlon right there. He's a Steelers fan, even though the Steelers aren't playing. But you get this little walk, probably like 6 blocks from the stadium, and it's absolutely free to park here. So if you don't mind walking a few blocks, walking up some stairs, coming around this way, I'd say 6-7 blocks from the stadium, it's absolutely free to park here. And I've been parking here when I've been going to Saints games for years. Y'all know I'm a straight shooter. This pulled pork sandwich was not that good. This rebirth statue is a huge statue of New Orleans because when the Saints came back after Katrina and they played the Atlanta Falcons in the first game, on the opening drive they blocked a punt, and that's what that statue symbolizes. And that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more materials coming out in the future. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace.